Hello guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you the same strategy which I used to make $840 just within 2 hours. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, you can see it right here, $840 in profit. So I'm going to show you the same strategy right here in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will understand how to go about it, and you too can also apply the same strategy from your end and also make something similar to that. It might not be up to that then definitely, but you will be able to make profit right from there. Okay, so this is very important, and I want you guys to take it serious and try as much as possible to share this video with families and friends and on all your social media platforms so that more people can also benefit from it. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, this is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some good profit for yourself within the forex market, and it is called Qora Digital Cash. And of course, all you just need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of these trading strategies which I will be sharing in my videos. Make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the same strategy which I used to make over over $800, that is around $840 in profits just within 2 hours. Okay, so this is so unique. Okay, so now let's go straight into the charts right away. Okay, so this is the chart. I actually traded gold, and one of the things that made it very easy for me is because of my trading tools. Okay, because my trading tools will not force me to analyze the market for a very long time. Okay, because it will give me the insight of what the market will be giving to me, and of course all I just need to do is just to plug into it and follow up with it, and of course I will keep on making profits from here. Right here I already know that this market is already at the support zone. You can see it right here. It was unable to break out below this support zone right here, so it gave us a buy signal around there. This is gold. Okay, so I actually use it to trade gold, and of course I first came in here. This was where I came in, but the market got to this region. It was unable to go above this resistance zone, so it gave me a sell signal around there. Okay, so remember I had a buy signal somewhere here. Okay guys, most of you used to ask me how do I get my text. Okay, so the text depends on the on me. Okay, if I want to put it there or not. Okay, so I got a buy signal here, and of course I had a buy somewhere around here, and of course I placed my order around there, so it bought for a while but didn't go for long. But because I already knew that the market is on uptrend, then I didn't shake at all. So after placing my buy signal around there, I make sure that I set my stop loss somewhere below here. Okay, so if I should go down a bit, you're going to see where I put my stop loss. And of course after that, the purpose of the stop loss is just for me to secure my capital. Okay, so that is it, as at the time of creating my order. Okay, so the market actually picked up from here, got to this region but was unable to go above this resistance zone. It got there around there, pulled back, went back there again, still unable to go above it, so it came down, and this forced it to give us a sell signal around there. So we got a sell signal around there, but I didn't go for the sell signal. Why? You're going to ask me reason for that. Okay, the reason is this is coming from a support zone already, except if it breaks out below this particular support zone, that is when I will be assured that it's going to sell. But if it does not, then definitely it won't sell. It will go back into an uptrend because it is at the support zone already, so we expect it to buy. Although if I had gone for this sell signal, I would have made a little profit. It might not be much, but I would have also made a little profit. Okay, so that is the beauty of this trading tool. If you follow it, you will always be in profit. Okay, so it was unable to break out below this support zone, so it gave us another buy signal around here, and of course you can see it right there. We got another buy signal around here. Okay, So the buy signal that we got around there, let me put it here so that we get to see it very well. The buy signal that we got around there gave me an assurance that this is still going to buy. But remember, there was a resistance zone around there, so I still have that at the back of my mind. Here is the resistance zone, so I still have that at the back of my mind. So, and I add an order around here, so the order is still open. My stop loss is still there, it has not been adjusted. So all I just did was to come up with more orders around here, because I've gotten another buy order around there. So I came up with more orders around there, making giving me two different positions where I'm having my orders. The first position is around there, I've got some orders around there. Second position is around there, I've got another set of orders around here. And of course, this kept on going up and up, and this is where I'm supposed to be having an issue, okay, because right here it got there around there, it was unable to break out from there, got there around there, was unable to break out from there, and it's about approaching it. And if you should notice that first it pulled back and went back up, and it broke out from there. So immediately it broke out from there, I turned that into another order. Okay, I placed another order around here. Okay, so this is now serving as a resistance zone for me. Okay, I mean as a support zone for me. Okay, so as a result of that, I had to secure my I had to secure some profit. So I pull up my order below, I mean my stop loss below, and pull it up. Okay, and I pull it up to somewhere here to secure some profit for this particular order, and also secure some profit for this particular order also. Okay, but this new order has its own stop loss to secure a little part of the capital which I'm risking for this particular order. Okay, so that was how I did it. So immediately the market picked up from there, and it kept on going up and up and up. So I also had to pull up my stop loss to somewhere here to secure all my orders. Okay, to secure all my orders. I secured for this, and for this. Remember, I did multiple orders, okay, not just one, because of my trading capital. If you have checked out my account the other time, you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this kept on going up and down. Immediately it got here, so I pull up my order up again. I mean my stop loss, I pull it up again, and of course to secure more, because I knew here should be a resistance zone. Here is even a resistance zone, so I knew it might find difficult to break. So it had a major pullback from there, hit my stop loss, and took me out of the market, and I made a lot of profit. Okay, I made a lot of profit, and of course after that all my orders got closed. Okay, it got closed, got to this region. Okay, I was still thinking of going for a sell order, but I wanted to break out from this ranging area, because I just closed my my buy order. But luckily it gave me another buy order around here, which I feel if it should break out above here, then it's going to buy for a while, and it broke out above it. So I came in around here again, and I knew that it won't go for a very long time, because it is already around the resistance zone. So I just wanted to go for a while, so I took the risk and put my stop loss somewhere here. And of course this market actually went up, because I knew once it breaks out above here, it's going to go for a while. So I just took the risk to pick up some orders from there, and of course immediately it got to somewhere here, I made sure I drag up my stop loss to somewhere here, a closed one. I gave it a closed one because I knew this will not go for a very long time, and it didn't disappoint, and it came down again and it's the stop loss. And that was how I got to $840 within a short period of time. Okay guys, let me quickly tell you this. Okay, it's a matter of you having the right trading tool. Okay, if you are not really, you can do your analysis on your own. Of course sometimes you will get it right, sometimes you will get it a little bit wrong. Okay, and in most cases you will definitely get it right if you are good in analysis, okay? But if you are also having a very good trading tool like this, it helps you to analyze better and in a faster way without you having any hiccups, okay? Like the signal I got around here, okay guys, I didn't even take time at all, I didn't waste time at all before I plugged into it, okay? So I just jumped into it and I started milking the market right from there. You can imagine milking gold right from there till the very end of the trend is so amazing, okay? So that is how you can go about it, and you can see the way I manage the trading activities. This happened within a very short period of time, and I was able to achieve that much within that short period. At every pullback, I took advantage of the market because I've been given an assurance within the market that the market should go in my direction. And of course, I already have my stop loss in place so as to protect my capital to some level, and immediately I noticed that I'm in profit, I had to adjust my stop loss in order for me to lock up some part of my profit. And that is how to go about it. Once you have a setup like this, you will always hit it on the head. You will always be hitting the nail profit on the head, okay? You always be making profit all the time. That is the passion behind it. That is the beauty of it all. It makes analysis easier, and of course makes trading more profitable than what you used to experience before, okay? Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. For those of you having the trading tool, you can go ahead and try this out, most especially if you have not tried it out on fiat currency pairs or on gold. You can go ahead and do that and see how sweet, how beautiful this trading tool is, okay? But if you are not having the trading tool, you can check up on me, you can chat up with me on WhatsApp, and let's see how we can get one for you, okay? I will be stopping right here, okay? I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.